Hello. So, I don't know, man. I'm feeling a bit. I feel emotions for the first time in my life. That's not true, but still, I feel emotions right now. Um, so, there was this form that we had to fill up for our class, in which we had to summarize some of our classmates. And we did summarize some of our classmates. At least I did, most of them, all 131 people. And well, if I would have known the kind of responses I was getting, I would have written a lot more than I already wrote. So yeah, let me just show you the responses I got. Like, I'm thankful that there are no bad responses, as everyone can read their own responses, and there are some pretty hurtful ones in other people's responses, and that shit's just hurtful. You shouldn't do that, right? Like, this is the last form. Like, this is not your what's that called, that app where you can hush up, and app like that where you can just give, speak out your mind against that person. This is not that. This is just a normal showcase thing where you're thankful for your friends and for your 4 years. And I think I'm thankful for you guys. So let's just read a couple of them, right? How do I show it to you? Okay, this is a bit unprofessional, but I'm going to show it to you through my laptop screen. It will be a bit scuffed, but well, that's who I am. Let's see the first one, right? First one. Of course, I agree with the best defender thing. Like, the second is just I'm not that. So I'm not that good at coding. Thank you, whoever wrote that. That's the first one. The second one, I'll read it out because I just thought that, I'll extend the video length by some time. So yeah, the second one is I'll show it to you after I read it, because then you'll say कि नहीं तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो, even though मैं कभी अपना पढ़ाई करता हूँ नहीं, but still हाँ. So yes, he can kill you over the internet. Like, you'll be eating normal food casually and checking WhatsApp, and then he'll post mouth-watering delicious all sorts of foods. Yeah. I mean, not right now, but yeah, before the pandemic, sure. Okay, the next part of it is talented bichokhon chile. Bichokhon. Bichokhon. ক্লাসের জানলা ভেঙে দিয়েছিল এক ঘুষি মেরে। ব্রো, হ্যাঁ, ভেঙে দিয়ে তো ছিলাম। অ্যান্ড প্রো লেভেল ডিফেন্ডার, which of course I am. Thank you very much. দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি। That's enough. Pause করে দেখে নিও। Alright, then we have Foodie Boy. True, true, true. The blogger of a batch, energetic person, food lover, good coder. I disagree with the good coder part, but the rest I'll accept. Thank you. The blogger of our batch. Yes, I write blogs on thoughtsoforbitterboy.blogspot.com. Please go and check it out. Energetic person, I don't know who you're talking about. Food lover for life. Oh, that's it. And then the next one, let's see. Coder, vlogger, blogger, YouTuber, add any other if you want to. He is all of them. I'm not a murderer. नहीं, कोडर ठीक है, चलता है. व्लॉगर, एक्सेप्ट, आई एम व्लॉगिंग राइट नाउ. ब्लॉगर, आई राइट स्टफ ओकेजनली, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग. यूट्यूबर, व्लॉगिंग एंड यूट्यूबिंग गो हैंड इन हैंड, एक्सेप्ट. Add any other if you want to. He is all of them. Again, not a murderer. A huge bibliophile. I mean, yeah. I'm still sad that my Kindle is in Kolkata. That's the only thing I'm missing right now. Alright, this is the next one. अच्छा, देखिए दीजिए. Not this one. This one? This one. ठीक. हाँ, next. Best defender in the department. True, true, true. Extremely friendly and helpful. Not always, but true. Chalo, next page of response. Oh, अच्छा zoom out করে keyboard ধরতে হবে, yes. ওই কি হলো? I read this. This. An amazing guy and a great friend. I don't know about the amazing guy and I don't even know about the great friend. Thank you. Acha, this one is, I think, good. Ashu hi Mr. Fresher blogger coder and my AutoCAD teammate. Hello Shovik sir, how are you? Remember কত ভালো কাজ করেও আমরা সি পেয়েছিলাম? That motherfucker, I don't even remember his name. But a পুরো ক্লাসে শুধু আমি কাজ করেছি. Every day he used to come and say, Ashutosh, what have you done? And at the end he gave me C and the rest of the class got A. Well, okay. Water's on the bridge. Water is under the bridge now, huh? You're a cool dude. I am. I wear a hairband. Already life e ফাটিয়ে দিয়েছিস. I disagree with that. আর কোনো ডাউট নেই এইভাবে. Again, disagree. চলতে থাক. That I agree with. Okay, the next one. আচ্ছা এটা দেখাতে. Let's do the next one and then I'll show. The next one. Just 2 words. 32 LPA. That is wrong. Go fuck yourself, whoever that is. What the fuck? Alright, good. Alright, the next one. Mr. Freshers man. I was Mr. Freshers. Thank you for remembering. I don't have any photos of that day. Please, if anyone here has that photo, if you're watching it, I guess you are not, but if you are watching it, please give me the photos. He's a super cool and fun guy. Cool, man's not hot, so man's cool, of course, and fun guy. Fun, what's the definition of fun? Very easy to talk to and gonna reach great heights. Very easy to talk to. Very easy to talk to. What does that mean? Talk to me, guys. Tell me. What is very easy to talk to means? What is this? What is this? And gonna reach great heights. Yes, I live on the 5th floor, 4th floor. So yeah, I am on a great height. Okay, the next one. বাকি দুটো একসাথে দেখিয়ে দেবো. খুব humble ছেলে. I am not. I mean, সবাইকে সম্মান দিয়ে কথা বলে. That is true, except 1 or 2 people who I absolutely despise, but yeah, true. সম্মান দিয়ে কথা বলা উচিত. That is called flattering. People like being flattered. কোনো কিছু নিয়ে চাপ নিতে দেখিনি. क्या है, सब कुछ मोह माया है ব্রো. বই পড়তে ভালোবাসে আর অন্যদের হেল্পও করে. বই পড়তে ভালোবাসি, ট্রু. অন্যদের হেল্প করি, আই গেস করি, হ্যাঁ, আই মিন শিওর. সো লেট মি শো দিস টু ইউ. নট দ্যাট বাট focus. I think you can read it. Take it, you can read it. Chalo, and the last one. Zoom out and last one. You don't have problems with going close to my face, right? Alright, last page rather. Okay. Okay, highly talented, no. Serious coder, sometimes. EE নিয়ে CSE ওয়ালাদের হার মানিয়ে দেবে. হেল্পফুল ছেলে, এই জন্যেই লাস্ট সেম ভালো লিখতে পারছি. ও থ্যাংক ইউ. লাস্ট সেম শেষ হয়ে গেছে, বাট স্টিল থ্যাংক ইউ. অলরাইট, দুটো let me do all of this and I'll show everyone at once. Okay. Ashutosh is the coolest bro. We'll miss the bus rides together. Do continue your vlogs. Bus rides, that narrows it down considerably. I guess I know who this is. Thanks man. Let me talk to you later. today evening if you will, but you don't pick up my phone. You sometimes pick up my phone, so okay. ফ্রেশার্সের দিনের ওই নাচটা খুব মনে পড়ে ভাই, ভিডিও বানাতে পারতিস না ওই নাচের, আমাকেও চাই ওই ভিডিওটা। আমার মনেও নেই আমি কিনে, মানে আমার মনে আছে আমি কিনে নেচেছিলাম, বাট স্টিল লাইক ইয়া। অলরাইট, নেক্সট ওয়ান। আমার দেখা সেরা ডিফেন্ডার বিট্টু দা। আরে স্যার, আপনিও তো ব্যাডমিন্টন খেলেন না, ভালো, চলো করবো সব একসাথে। And the last one of my responses, 16 of them, but every one of them makes me like so happy with it. Like, well, I'm an emotionless guy, so I won't really cry on camera, but take my word, like, I'll cry after I turn off the camera, sure. But the last one. বাবু মশাই, হ্যাঁ, নেক্সট ব্লগ আমাকে মেনশন করিস অ্যাজ দ্য বেস্ট ফ্রেন্ড দ্যাট ইউ এভার হ্যাভ। ভাই ভাই, ইউ আর দ্য এম্বডিমেন্ট অফ চিল করো ভাই, সব কুছ হোগা। অলরাইট, নেক্সট ব্লগে আমাকে মেনশন করিস অ্যাজ দ্য বেস্ট ফ্রেন্ড দ্যাট ইউ এভার হ্যাভ। ভাই, well, I have a lot of best friends. Yeah, I have a lot of very good friends. Yeah, and none of them are the best per se. You are all my good friends. I love you all equally. But yeah, I am the embodiment of chill karo sab kuch hoga. Chill karo man, jo hona hai hoga, nahi hona nahi hoga. You should have watched me 1 month ago, 2 months ago, when I was an anxious mess. I was crying constantly. No, I wasn't. Yes, I was. So let's show this final slide. You've seen this. And that's it then. Thanks guys. Peace. I love you too. Let's see if we can meet anytime soon. I hope we can. Yeah, দেখা হবে কোনো দিন কলকাতায়, সবাই যখন থাকবো। চলো দেন, গুড বাই। I'll do this trick again. 3, 2, 1. Oh no.